We're going to talk about Banjo Y strainers today. Let people hop on here real quick. So, got Jeff out here. I'll flip the camera around just a second. We got everybody eating lunch, so we're standing in front of the show. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll walk over there in a second. Yeah. So we use Banjo Y strainers on all of our builds, and we talk about maintenance with them. And we got one we're gonna pull apart to show you guys. All right, we got 14 people in here, so here we go. So right here, it's a Banjo Y strainer. We use an oil wrench, which makes it easy to pull apart. You pull it apart, you got your 80 mesh filter. Now, I tell guys minimum quarterly to check this. You know, you can check it more often. We try and put these in an easy to clean place. These should last the life of your rig. You can take them out and rinse them out. If they're really dirty, you can get a wire brush. Plastic brush, not wire. Yeah, don't tear that filter up. A plastic brush, and we'll walk over and show you. And you tighten it back, and then
it doesn't have to be super tight.
Show me the filter in the arrow in the direction of the water. So if you get one of these, this should be facing this way in the direction of the water. It's got the arrow right there. It's pretty easy. And we'll walk over and show you the brush that we use. So, actually, I'm gonna let him grab the brush. While he's grabbing the brush, and show you guys. This is my main man, Hugo, right here. Hugo, what was for lunch today?
Street tacos. Sir.
Street tacos. This was amazing, Hugo.
Thank you,
This is like a man of many hidden talents. This was breakfast tacos this morning and street tacos. It was amazing. And so, easy day if it's really bad, but a lot of times if they're not, you can rinse them off. You will find growth on these things. You know, if you need to douse it with bleach and clean it off, just good to check them. I mean, your buffer tank can look clean and this thing can be dirty. Like I said, quarterly is my recommendation. We just haven't really talked about it. We wanted to pop a quick video on it.
And be careful over tightening too.
Yeah, don't over tighten.